Hello, good day sa ating lahat. Ito po ang bagong update sa ating pong classroom observation, sa ating pong reclassification. So, number 23, sabi dito ay COI rating sheet of the prospective applicants from classroom observation conducted prior to the submission of application document shall be certified by the subcommittee members. So, huli na para sa iba kasi nakapag-submit na. Kung hindi pa sana nakapag-submit ng mga papers ay pwede pa itong magamit kasi sabi dito ay pwede sana yung COT or COI natin, the rating sheet na ginawa po natin prior to the submission of application documents. So, basahin nyo po yung ito pong DepEd Order number 35 para malinawan po kayo kasi sayang po. Pero yung mga nakapag-submit na, kasi sabi dito is prior to the application.
Okay, so, the first section, urgent school issue, participant response, low student reading comprehension levels among included learners. Next, action research design component, use classroom-based reading assessment, interviews with teachers,